How to make job board in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the four dots which says add apps, and I want you to tap on the search bar at the top right here and you're going to type in job board, so you can type it in right there. After you have done that, you can select job board, fill open, and you're going to tap on that. Then I want you to tap on add to site. After selecting add to site, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on agree and add. Once you have done that, it is going to be added to your website, as you can see right here. And now to edit it, you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, you're going to see a pop-up window appear and you can change the title by tapping on title right there. So you could change the title to whatever you want. After doing that, you can also design it by tapping on design. You can change the font style, you can change the button, and so on. Now after doing that, you'll scroll down and then you can add in your content. So for example, you can add in the products and so on. You can add in what type of jobs are available. You can also scroll down and you can see the option to add job and you'll be able to add job. Keep in mind, if you were to tap on add job, you can see you can only add 3 jobs on the free plan. So if you would like to add more jobs, you'll need to go onto their paid plan, or you can remove the current jobs that are there. So let's say we were to remove one of the jobs. So let's say for example this one, we'll tap on delete. Then we're going to tap on add job. After you have tapped on add job, you could add in the job title. Then you could add in the department, the location, and the pay or compensation right there. Then you can select whether it is full-time or part-time. You can type in the employment type and you could add in a quick description to list it. Then all you need to do now, you can see send applicants to, and you can select where you like them to send your application by adding in your email address or link, then tapping on done. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.